Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change your email address on Strava. So if you also want to change your email address on Strava, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Strava application. Wait for it to load. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Strava is opened. Now what you have to do is tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At the top right corner, you'll be able to see a gear icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You can see several settings options over here. Find the option for change email. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to provide your new email address. Simply tap on the email box. Erase the email address. Now enter the new email address. After that, also enter the password. Simply tap on the password box. Now enter your password. Now at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the option for save. All you have to do is tap on it. Now an email will be sent to you. Simply open Gmail application. Now you can see over here an email address has been sent to you. All you have to do is tap on that email address. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the option for confirm. All you have to do is tap on it. Now your email address is changed. So that is how you change your email address on Strava. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.